devastation or less devastation? हाँ क्यों? वेरी गुड. डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट. वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा लॉस हुआ. Nobody was knowing about what is cyclone. Nobody was knowing that what should I prepare for. Yes or not? Suddenly in a day or 4 days you can't prepare yourself for what is in a fight for. You can't make the people to go away from the coast. यहाँ पे तो लोग जानते हैं साइक्लोन क्या होता है. आप बोलोगे बहुत बोरिया बिस्तर आफ्टर टेकिंग देयर बैगेज रन अवे. And what is cyclone? So I'll live along the coast. So, getting my point? Houses are not made like this. So everything, and therefore, and itself, then government is not ready for the management. There is a response for the all making and always studying it. So several things. So it is in the heaviest loss in 2006 Brazil. So another point I have to say that how the nomenclature of cyclone depends on. Yes, how do the nomenclature of cyclone? Clear? How do the nomenclature? There it is, and I said that India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Maldives, Oman, this way Myanmar, Bangladesh, all we have been get together, we are 8 countries. And when we get together 8 countries, so every country has given a list of name. I said it is coming like Oman country, then coming like Pakistan country, then coming like other, and Oman country I said that Hudhud, Pakistan, the different countries are there listed. And there are what is na 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 और सब कंट्री ने अपने तरफ से कुछ नाम दे रखा है. ओमान कंट्री ने अपना लिस्ट दे रखा है. There are several lists has been created, and thereafter Nilofer and some names are there. It is okay. One list. तो first list ये है. फिर उसके बाद again the countries will be there. Then all the 8 countries. So first इंडिया में in a year 3 cyclone comes. तो first cyclone को बोल देंगे हुदहुद. Second cyclone name automatically it will be what? Nilofer. So whatever it will be in the list, that name will be given and understood it. जो भी रहेगा, so that name will come. It is not on the basis of their intensity, it is not on the basis of their character of the cyclone, and whatever the list which is coming on the basis of that. Understood it? यदि लोग कोई बोलता है कि in this year this cyclone come, then okay, these are those. It is easy to understand. So the nomenclature in which I said that, so the group of countries get together of the Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, and then what is in a nearby Pacific Ocean, and this group of countries, what they do, they create a list, and on the basis of the list, whatever the name comes, that name has been given to that particular cyclone in that given geographical area. So write down. और वर्ल्ड में कहाँ कहाँ साइक्लोन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन बता दिया था ना. साइक्लोन का डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन पहले फर्स्ट में ही बता दिया था. 36% कहाँ पर? नॉर्थ वेस्ट पैसिफिक, and this is in a south west Pacific. It is in a southern Pacific western side, and it is, I said that Bay of Bengal 10%, Arabian Sea 3%, Madagascar side, and then all 10%, 3%, and it is, I said that 11%, and this is 16%. Understood it? Clear? Now, if I'll ask you, who create weak tropical disturbance? Who creates weak tropical disturbance? Presence of group of islands. After that, who creates tropical disturbance? Clear? Upper air divergence. Weak tropical disturbance means low pressure, and after the upper air divergence. If the upper air divergence itself बहुत तेजी से हो, तो without island it can also So directly without weak tropical disturbance it can convert into disturbance, and in this region there is no island. In this region there is no island. और यहाँ से एक सब ट्रॉपिकल जेट स्ट्रीम बहता है, उसकी वजह से यहाँ पे एक लो प्रेशर क्रिएट होता है, एंड दैट लो प्रेशर काउजेज व्हाट, अपर एयर divergence. Understood? Then it comes under the what? ITCJ, and then what I said, that northeast trade wind and southeast trade winds. Understood? So 11% this side and then 16%. So how many percentage I said that? So America side how much? 27% itself. इसीलिए आप क्या देखते हो अमेरिका में so many times you listen there is a cyclone is coming, or India has having what is 13%. How much I said that? 13, 1, 3, 13. 10% in the Bay of Bengal and 3% in the what? Arabian Sea. Or you can say 8 to 10% also. Madagascar has 10%. So this is the distribution. And how you will give the nomenclature? The nomenclature. So first what I said that, write down. An organization, first point, organization created with the association of list of countries in a particular geographical region which is affected by cyclone. For example, in Indian Ocean, eight countries get associated which has been affected by cyclone, and these 8 countries have given their list of names second point, on the basis of the list of names first column has name given by each country, second column has again name given by each countries, this way there are 6 to 8 columns. Next point, 6 to 8 columns. Next, first column, first column will be utilized for giving nomenclature for different cyclone in the Indian subcontinent. Thereafter, if the first column name has been utilized, if the name from the first column has been utilized for different cyclone, Then in similar manner, name given by each country in the second column will be utilized for consecutive cyclones. Suppose in 2015 in Indian subcontinent, in Andhra coast, cyclone was going to hit at that time in the list cyclone name was from the Oman country, and it was Hudhud. Just after this, near Gujarat, a tropical cyclone is about to hit. Then in the column after Oman, the name was given by Pakistan, and it is Nilofer. Therefore, cyclone hitting Gujarat coast, known as Nilofer. Understood it? समझ में आ गया? Miss second column finished, third column start. Third column finished. Understood it? In the similar way, the country affected in Pacific Ocean and other Indian Ocean region and Atlantic Ocean region have also created different organization with some associations and with the different columns list has been created. Change the para. It is very hard to categorize nomenclature. It is very hard to categorize nomenclature of a tropical cyclone it is very hard to categorize nomenclature of a tropical cyclone on the basis of intensity. It involves too much technicality and useless. Sometimes there is a possibility of same intensity for many times. Sometimes there is a possibility that cyclone of same intensity occur many times नहीं, more number of times, then its classification will be difficult. Understood it? समझ में आ गया? तो हम लोगों ने क्या किया? We have given that this kind of list. So therefore